What bigger fashion brands did to succeed? Have you ever wondered how the world's biggest fashion brands became so successful? Today, I'll break down the exact steps they took and how you can apply them to your own fashion journey. Point 1. Strong brand identity. First, they built a strong brand identity. Brands like Gucci and Nike don't just sell clothes, they sell a lifestyle. People connect emotionally with their story. Point 2. Consistent quality. Second, they focused on consistent quality and design. Customers trust them because the quality always matches the promise, and they kept signature details that made them recognizable anywhere. Point 3. Smart marketing. Third, they mastered marketing and storytelling. From celebrities to athletes, they knew how to use influence and powerful campaigns to keep their brand in the spotlight. Point 4. Innovation and trends. Fourth, they embraced innovation. Big brands either set the trends or quickly adapted to them, whether it was streetwear, luxury drops, or even tech like online shopping and virtual try-ons. Point 5. Collaborations. Fifth, they collaborated wisely. Think Adidas and Yeezy, or H&M and Balmain. These partnerships brought hype, new audiences, and credibility. Point 6. Visibility and distribution. Sixth, they made themselves visible. From flagship stores to online platforms, they positioned themselves everywhere their customers were. Point 7. Global expansion. Seventh, they went global, but adapted to each market. They used international ambassadors and campaigns to reach people worldwide. Point 8. Customer loyalty. Eighth, they built strong customer loyalty. Limited drops, exclusive offers, and personal shopping experiences kept people coming back for more. Point 9. Smart scaling. Ninth, they scaled production smartly, outsourcing when needed, but never losing quality control. Point 10. Consistency over time. And finally, consistency. They stayed true to their identity while evolving with fashion. That balance kept them relevant for decades. Closing. So here's the truth. Bigger brands succeed because they mix creativity, quality, marketing power, and business discipline. If you want to grow your fashion brand, these are the exact steps to study and apply. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion business insights. See you in the next video.